is same. With an A, the draft sends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo's going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? That's 1, 2, one more time. Good bird. As you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies and less colors underneath their wings. But Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings?
Wings!
One more time, say wings!
Wings!
Now lastly, because of dactyl feet, meaning you have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. You can also use your feet to hold on things and tongue. Now Miss Donna here is a ground mat. She will place it into the plastic basket. Now let's see how Jumbo will get his nut. So Jumbo, carefully looks out the plastic basket and have his nut. Great job, buddy. Now green wing macaw, they're also known as the gentle giant, as they're ranked as the second largest parrot in the world. But wait, there's more. From the jungles of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have a total of 3 flying macaws named Tommy, Henry, and Artie. And to our green wing macaw named Jumbo. And remember reminders for everyone, please sit down and then try to reach out or touch our birds. Now macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning if